welcome back to the Happy House. Let's see how we can crochet this beautiful puff flower, which is really easy to crochet and it takes around a minute. We can use these flowers for the flower bouquet or as well for the hair accessories. This middle part you can see here. You can use pearls to decorate or the usual puff stitch, which definitely I'm going to show you further. So let's begin with the material we require. Here I am using hook size 2.5 mm and a 3-ply cotton crochet yarn. Here I am taking a shade of pink. So start with taking a magic ring. Just wrap the yarn around your finger. Insert hook to pull a loop like this and make a slip knot here. Now you have to work 12 single crochet straight into the ring here like this. Again second single crochet. So now we'll repeat the same process and work total 12 single crochet. So once you are done with your round 1, pull the yarn tight to close the ring and slip stitch to the very first single crochet here like this. Now to start second round, channel 2. Now we'll work on to the same stitch. Here I yarn over, insert hook to the same stitch, pull yarn, and here the loops you have to crochet first 2 only and then keeping the last 2 on the hook, and you have to repeat the same process. So we have done total 3 times double crochet into the same stitch, but the loops on the hook only. Now we'll go to the next stitch and repeat same process, working 3 double crochet and keeping the last loops on the hook only here. So by the end we'll have total 7 loops on the hook. Now crochet them all together and make a puff stitch here like this. Now channel 2 and slip stitch into the same stitch. So here you can see a puff stitch, which is also you can say a petal for the flower. So now we'll go to the next and make a single crochet, and then again we'll repeat the same process, like first channel 2 and then double crochet to the one stitch, and then to the next again 3 double crochet, and then we'll crochet them all together to get a puff stitch. Now following the same pattern, you have to complete all the petals of the flower. So here we go. This is how a flower will look like. You have to channel 1 and cut the rest of the yarn like this. Now secure the left yarn by knotting them together. crochet a puff flower here. So once your flower is done, almost after all the petals, now we have to work on the middle part for the flower. Now take another color of yarn, a shade darker than the yarn you're already using. So here I have used dark pink color. Started with the magic ring, and after making a slip knot, there's channel 2 only here. Now just simply yarn over and pull the yarn through the ring. You have to repeat this process 5 times. Now crochet them all together, making a puff stitch here. Just cut the yarn off and also pull the yarn from the initial stage to tie the ring. So here a puff stitch is ready for the middle part of the flower. So let's see how to fix it to the middle. So this is how it will be done. In case if you don't want to do a puff stitch for the middle, you can also use the pearls or any kind of bead to give a little deco here.